Calling all babes, McKinney babes to be exact. This is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I'm going to be doing a private session, a hands-on workshop, happy hour as well, on June 7th from 5 to 7 p.m. And this is going to be at the Caddo office in McKinney, Texas. And our topic is going to be how to make 100K annually with your Google business profile for free. I actually need to change the title of the course to how to make 300K, 400K, annually, because I've got business owners that are doing that. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply these techniques right there in the workshop. On-site space is limited to 20 people only. We will have the Zoom capability for everyone to join. That's part of the BABE organization and also nationwide from everybody that I know from my travels. But we want the room packed with the McKinney Babe so you guys can learn how to build and grow your business with these amazing tools. See you then.